Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this. It's like a side pocket, so it opens out to the side and then you've got a flap here to add some writing space, or you can pin it down and make a pocket. And then we've got a pocket here and a pocket on the reverse as well. And that's just all held shut rather, with a paper clip. So let's get to it, shall we? Okay, so I'm working in my brown and blue journal, and there's already something on the back of this. This is just a signature page, but this is going to go on the front of the signature. So I want it to wrap around these two pages. So I've got a piece of card cut to size, and it can be any height as long as it'll fit within your journal page, but it needs to be 12 inches wide for these measurements that I'm giving you to work. I'm going to work on the reverse side of this just because of the way my scoring tool works. I don't have one of those that you just slot it in and score, so I am following Cori Dahmen's tutorial. It's voiceover Rachel here. I've had to re-record this bit because what I was saying made absolutely no sense. So the first one needs to be scored at 2 1/4 inches, the next one at 5 1/2, and then the next one at 8 3/4 inches, and that will give you all of your folds in the right positions. Okay, so that is going to be going on the front like so. I'm going to cut a little divot out of there using our circle punch, and I'm just going to eye it up somewhere around about there to make the pocket. Okay, and then fold that back. I'm going to be careful there because I've got an eyelet underneath, and then fold that forwards and give that a squash. And those two will be going together like so. This makes the flap, and then you can either glue that down or leave it to open up. So we need to attach that now to this page. Of course, I want to ink everything. Now you need to decide where to position that first pocket. So you can have it at the top, or at the bottom, or in the centre. I'm going to stick with the centre for this one, and then we're going to glue 3 edges. Top, the fold side and the bottom. And then we're going to just flip that round, lay it out, and just get rid of those squashy bits. And that will be the first bit. Now what Cori did, and it looked wonderful, was she had a tracing paper pocket laid underneath that, so it was actually a double pocket, and you can quite easily adapt it to be something like that. But I'll just show you the basic version first. So then what we're going to do is push out the next one, the next panel. And then we're going to cut a divot out of this one. I'll just ink where I've missed there. And then we're going to glue those two panels together back to back. So you can glue whichever one you want. I think I'll do it on this one, since that's the one that will be lying flat. And then fold that back over, and then that will make our second pocket. So now we've got the option to either glue this down as another pocket, or you can just leave it open and then have this as a flip out page. So I'm going to leave it as a flip out page, and I'm going to cover this with some lined paper that's been tea stained, and then I'll have 1, 2, 3 pages of lined paper to add some journaling. Okay, I couldn't find any lined paper, so I'm going to use this graph paper instead. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to get 3 out of this. So let's fold it into 3 sections. That was really bad folding. That's closer. And then I'm just going to cut those down. To that size. And then I'm just going to eye up how high I want them to be, so and they should all cut together. So I think it's most important for those two to be matching. Okay, nice thin amount of glue spread well over the back. Paying particular attention to the corners and the edges. I'm thinking if I try and print that. Not exactly scientific, is it? But hey, it worked. Same again with the other, but that can go on the back page. And that will be stuck on that one. I think I've sacrificed my wiggle time there. That will do. I'm just going to ink that white bit a little touch while I see it. Okay, I'm going to do this way around. I like having those different types of papers because it means that you can use them for different things, such as that one might be nice to write on, and then this one to draw a little doodle, or just add something more like a sticker or something like that that needs a plainer background. And then we need a good crease to keep that round there, because I've attached it quite tightly, so that's something to keep in mind. When you attach this pocket, leave a millimetre or so of gap, maybe 2 millimetres, just so that it folds around more easily than what I am experiencing right now. Okay, and then we just need something to pop inside that pocket. Let's see what I've got in my little stash down here. So I'll tag that size. Do you think that would go in? Yeah. So we just need to make one of those in the blue colours. That's for that pocket. I like the red one better than it likes the blue one. Okay. I hope that's dried in there. So then that just creates a lot more space for writing and adding your pictures. So we just need some kind of closure. I could do similar to that so that these spin and keep the doors of this one closed. So you could do the same again. That was just an offset eyelet. But what I was thinking is just to do a paper clip. So then you can just use a paper clip to keep it in place. So there you have it. So we've got, remove the paper clip, and then you've got your pocket on that side. So we just stick something in there for now, like so. And then you've got your pages for writing and your little tag pocket. So there we go, that's today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much to Cori Dahmen for the idea. I think it's wonderful, and I shall be definitely doing some more of those in my future journals. I shall see you again next time for another video. I've just got glue gun glue everywhere. Bye guys, thanks.